Good evening, sir. I am here to discuss about the nine different classifications of dangerous goods. The first class is the explosive. Any material or item listed in the explosives category is one of the quickly conflagrate or detonate due to chemical reaction. You can find items like fireworks, airbag inflators, and ammunition listed under this category. Explosives are further broken into six subdivisions. And secondly, the class 2 is all about gases. If a substance is totally gaseous at a standard atomic pressure at 200 degrees Celsius or has a vapor pressure of 300 kPa or higher at 50 degrees Celsius is classified as gas. There are three subdivisions for gases, with items like fire extinguishers, natural gas, propane, gas cartridges, compressed gases, and aerosols are included. Nextly, the class 3 is all about flammable liquids. A flammable liquid is classified as a liquid mixture of liquid or liquid containing solids with a flash point lower than or equal than 60 degrees to 65 degrees Celsius. Additionally, flammable liquids included liquids transported at or above their flash points. Primary examples of flammable liquids including paints, acetone, gasoline, and kerosene. Nextly, the class 4 is all about flammable solids. If a material is easily combustible under common transportation conditions, it's classified as a flammable solid. This classification also includes self-reactive substances that may go through solid desensitized explosions or other extremic reaction. There are three subdivisions in this class. Common items include sodium batteries, metal powders, activated carbon, and matches. And nextly, the class 5, oxidizing substance and organic peroxides. Organic peroxides are substances with a chemical structure where organic radicals have replaced a single hydrogen atom or both hydrogen atoms. Oxidizing substances include those that may cause or at least contribute to combustion due to the possibility of chemical reactions causing oxygen yield. These hazardous materials include sodium nitrate, ammunition nitrate, fertilizers, nitrites, chemical oxygen generators, and more. Nextly, the class 6, which is all about the toxic substances and infectious substances. Infectious substances are defined as material that have or likely to have pathogens such as fungi, parasites, and bacteria that can give animals and human diseases. If a substance can cause harm when swallowed, inhaled, or contacted, it's classified as a toxic substance. Common examples of these types of dangerous substances are arsenic, cyanides, chloroform, nicotine, acids, dyes, tear gas, biochemical waste, and biological cultures. And nextly is class 7, which is all about radioactive materials. If a material contains radionuclides where the activity concentration and the total activity exceeds predefined values, it's classified as a radioactive material. Since this material can be very harmful to human health, it's important to transport them correctly. You can find radioactive materials such as density gauges, depleted uranium, radioactive ores, and medical isotopes include in this classification. And nextly, the class 8 is all about corrosives. Substances that degrade or disintegrate other materials with chemical reactions via contact are classified as corrosive. When these substances aren't transported appropriately, they can damage living tissue and leak during transit. Some of the main types of corrosive includes batteries, flux, paints, dyes, and acids. And lastly is all about the And lastly, or the class 9 is all about miscellaneous hazard materials. When materials don't fit under the previously mentioned categories, they are put under the miscellaneous hazard materials banner. You can find the magnetized materials, genetically modified organisms, substances that are transported at high temperature and environmentally hazardous substances in this classification. Examples of these materials include fuel cell engines, first aid kits, life-saving appliances, lithium-ion batteries, and dry ice. Thank